Morning, ladies and germs, coat hanger dodgers, welfare recipients, know-it-alls. Here we are today at ground zero. Oh, look, that's going to show up, I'm sure. So anyway, here we are, ground zero. Got held up again for another 3 days because, you know, my place is geographical oddity when it comes to parts. I am 3 days away from everything, luckily. It was 1 day. It's always 1 day, but it turned to 3. Just want the world to know that's what I'm doing today. The one on the left is one that you would actually find in a regular pickup truck or a van. And the one on the right is what you find in this hot rod here. Yeah, so, which I think is totally ridiculous, but that's the way the world works. The one, and I couldn't drive it at all because it was the one that comes out of the trans into the transfer case. For those of you who don't know, this has a divorced transfer case. So if you lose the shaft coming out of the transmission, going into the transfer case, you will not be able to drop the shaft and then say drive in four-wheel drive and let the front wheels pull you home. That won't happen. And that right there, wait till you see what I pull out from under here. I don't know if I can get under here right now. Actually, you know what? I might as well put her all in all her neutrals now. And I can actually show you how beautiful she's doing. Let's come down under here. Yeah, I started out with the transmission mount. That was the obvious problem. It's the shaft right up there where I put the grease. I put the grease there just to try and help me get it here without totally destroying it. But you can see she's not supposed to do that. It looks like I wore the shoulder off of this bit here a little bit. Of course, because that's the drive direction. Yeah, there too, obviously. Look how clean she looks. I'm just hoping it didn't do a lot of damage. I think it was going, and that's the vibration I was feeling. And I thought it wasn't, I could grab it, but it wouldn't move. Probably had the needles jammed in there, you know, and, you know, it was already going. But I changed this mount, if you guys remember, this training mount right here. Because the rubber was loose. I was getting movement. You know, I could get a little bit of movement out of it. But now here I got, these were all brand new. I mean, if you look close, you could see they're about a year old. So, and I've been keeping up with them, greasing them consistently. This back one here, you can see it has play side to side a little bit. And you can hear that. I'm not happy about that. I don't know, any of you Samurai guys, that sounds like my ring gear back there. These definitely need to be serviced. I haven't done them. I mean, I've tried to clean. I've cleaned the fluid out. I've dropped them and drained them and flushed them and did all kinds of stuff. But this is where my blow off comes. Actually, this is my my bullshit hose there. Anyway, it's a long story. But yeah, I keep greasing all this shit, so we're good. It's just that one up there. But like I said, it's the one that comes out of the tranny. So had she let loose, I'd have been in trouble. I'd have been walking. But we're gonna get that out. I tried to pop it off at home, and I couldn't get her out. She's on there pretty good. I got some tools now. I'm gonna give it a shot. Got some fried up grease on here now. It's nice, stainless, sexy. It's very sexy, like me. It's sexy like me, from top to bottom.
Alright, I'll give you guys a heads up. Check back a little bit. Maybe if I get my camera guy here, I'll have him crawl under here and hold something up so he can see stuff too. I don't know. That's a lot of oil. I don't know where that's coming from now. Might be coming from just the back of the pan. What it looks like it's coming from the pan. I use this different silicone on the pan this time around, and I'm honestly not happy with it at all. It was leaking in the front in the beginning. I tightened her all up. Now that I tightened her all up, now she's leaking from the back side. So I got that going for me. But it's all relatively recent. I mean, I just redid the motor not long ago. I gotta sand all that shit down again and clear coat it. I don't know what the fuck happened. I need a new clutch cable. You think I would have put it in when I did my motor swap, but I'm too lazy. Alright, but anyway, I gotta go. 6 minutes of your life you'll never get back. I apologize. Avoid the clap.